guys, how are you? Welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to set default web browser on iPhone, on any iPhone like iPhone 17, 16, 14, 10, 11, any iPhone. Okay, so when you click on any link on iPhone, so it will open in your default web browser only. In iPhone, the default web browser is Safari. If you want to change it to Google Chrome or any other web browser, so you need to watch this video till end very carefully. In this video I will show you how to change the default web browser. To change the default web browser, first you need to install your web browser on your iPhone. Open the app store, which web browser you need to set as a default, you need to search, and then you need to download and install the web browser in your iPhone. I want to set Google Chrome, so that's why I have installed Google Chrome. Open your iPhone settings. In the iPhone settings, scroll down and find out apps. In the apps, scroll down and find out your default web browser. So for now my default web browser was set Safari in my iPhone. Okay, open your default web browser and here you can get the option default browser app. Open it. From here you need to select your installed app. So I have installed Chrome, so I will select Chrome here, and then you can close this. Now in future when you open any link, now it will open in my Google Chrome browser only, as you can see guys. Okay, now your default web browser was changed. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more iPhone tips, tricks and fixes.